Gaano nyo kamahal si Sir Ma'am?
Mahal na mahal! As in, super mahal na mahal.
In the morning I wake, another beautiful day. I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking. Life, it is what you make it. Nothing petty can get to me. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Now you get yours and I get mine.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down. I went in circles somewhere else. Shook the best when your love was on. Storing up on your summer glow.
I was challenged of being maldita. She is. So hindi pwede, sabi ko, this girl will be mine. And of course, loving kasi yung mga Bicolano.
Siyempre, first and foremost talagang hinanap is yung walang bisyo and siyempre God-fearing. Also, yun, mabait. And loving sa lahat. Selfless and love. And pogi.
Han, I'm grateful and happy in this very special day of ours. I love you. Wear this simple gift as symbol of my gratitude and love for you. Honey, I love you.
I'm excited to build a family. I love you, Han. See you sa church. Ikis mo ako ng madami, ha?
Han, puon kan nabidbidan ta ka, aram ko na tulos na espesyal ka. Ngunyan, nakatindog kita sa hampangan kan, mga taong padabata. Karangalan ko ang mga ako sa imo, ang padabaon ka sa asin, suliton ang mga aldaw, kaibata ka sa buhay ko.
Nawa ang iyong pamilya, ang iyong bubuing pamilya ay maging modelo, maging halimbawa sa marami pang mga pamilya na hindi lang mabuting pamilya, kundi mabuting lingkod na pamilya, lingkod ng Diyos, lingkod ng sambayanan, lingkod ng maraming mga nangangailangan.
Let me to you what I've been waiting for. I've seen the shadows, walked in doubt's parade, but his light shone through, made the fears all fade. He wrote your name in the stars above. Now I see the beauty of his perfect love. It's worth the wait. God promised me a love that's pure, like eternity.
Han, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Han, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Thank you for trusting the process. Kasi at least once you tried to accept my love for you. I love you and we will be forever. Forever and ever. I love you.